Hello everyone. Welcome back to the session on research targets and success plans. Our institute has decided on some research targets for the faculty members who join this institute or who are working in this institute. Achieving these targets is beneficial to both the institute and the individual faculty members. Here in this video, I will provide a brief information on research targets and success plan for achieving these targets. So let us begin. The institution challenges all the faculty members by giving some research targets for the reasons given here. Research targets motivate faculty members for consistent research outputs like publications, funding and grants, patents, etc. Targets ensure that the faculty efforts match the institution's vision and mission. Targets also drive solutions to real-world challenges by creative problem-solving approach. Ultimately, the targets enhance career advancement and recognition opportunities for the faculty members. It also strengthens mentoring and builds a research-oriented culture. Further, it boosts industry partnership and funding opportunities by showing the achievements of the targets. Importantly, it contributes to the rankings and accreditation success of the institute. Research targets inspire excellence through healthy academic competition. Finally, it positions the institution as a driver of social impact by solving societal issues. These research targets represent the outcomes of the collaborative process involving faculty suggestions collected via Google Forms and discussions among the R&D coordinators, heads of the departments, deans, and the director. The yearly targets are designed to motivate and streamline the research activities across designations while remaining flexible for modification. In this table, you can see that in the second column, the R&D parameters are given. The first parameter is writing an R&D research project proposal and submitting it to the funding agency. Second parameter is publishing research paper. Third parameter is attending reputed international conference. And fourth one is attending Atal FDP's short-term training programs and short-term courses. The third column indicates for whom the target is set. And fourth, fifth, sixth columns are the faculty members at different positions. So you can see that the first parameter, writing an R&D research project proposal and submitting it to the funding agency. So it is expected that the assistant professor should write one minor project, associate professor should also write one minor project, and the professor should write one major project proposal. Similarly, for the second R&D parameter, assistant professor should look for one Scopus conference, associate professor should look for one Scopus journal, and the professor level faculty member should look for one SCI publication. Likewise, it is applicable for the third R&D parameter and the fourth R&D parameter. When we talk about the major projects are typically focused on discipline-specific innovations or preliminary research that can lead to the further studies. And when we talk about the major projects, it is about addressing the larger interdisciplinary or societal challenge and requires a detailed planning and collaboration. If we talk about conference publication, so conference publications provide visibility and facilitate knowledge exchange in the focused research areas. Scopus journals offer rigorous peer-reviewed platform for disseminating comprehensive research findings. And SCI journals are highly reputed for their global reach, higher impact factors, and stringent review processes. Engaging with the international conference fosters exposure to cutting-edge research and networking opportunities, and faculty development programs enhance teaching and research skills in emerging areas. The key points of the implementation are achievability, flexibility, and support mechanism. So when we talk about achievability, although the targets may appear challenging, they can be met with the systematic and time-bound approach. Flexibility in the sense that the targets are adaptable to individual faculty strengths, departmental goals, and evolving institutional priorities. Support mechanism is about adequate institutional resources like mentorship, R&D facilities, and administrative support will be available to the faculty members to help meet these targets. By following these research targets, faculty members can contribute meaningfully to the academic and research excellence of the institute while achieving their professional development. Now, how to achieve these targets? Writing a research paper and research proposal are same to some extent. In this table, the typical steps of writing a research paper or article or the book chapter and writing a research proposal are given. It is better to start by writing a research paper on a literature survey. This will finish up with writing a research paper at the same time if working in the same area, completing some part of the research proposal. The literature survey paper can be presented at the conference and the extended version of it can be published in the peer-reviewed journal. These publications will add value to your proposals and will increase the chances of acceptance for funding. So in the table given here, the initial 4 steps are nearly the same. You can put up the time duration to add one more column along it. How to write research papers and research proposals. For guidelines on writing research papers, there are numerous courses available on the online platforms. My own course is available on Udemy. You can refer to it. It is just a 90 minutes course in which you will get a complete idea about research paper writing. For proposal writing, there are very limited online resources available. However, a research writing workshop was conducted in the past. The recording of that workshop can be made available to you so that you can go through it and prepare your own proposal. Attending Atal FDP NPTEL courses. Meantime, look for the Atal FDP or NPTEL SWAYAM courses on same topics and join them so that simultaneously you can complete these activities. These courses will serve as a coursework for research paper writing. These are the pictures of the web pages of SWAYAM platform and Atal FDP. Now, how to achieve these targets? Finally, a success plan for completing target is here. The following plan will help you to achieve these targets. Start immediately or start early. Prepare a week-wise and month-wise plan for at least one semester, that is 6 months. Spare at least 1 hour daily for the targets other than the routine work. On Sunday, look back to the achievements of the week and replan it for the next week. Work in teams either with your faculty members or with the students. Have at least one meeting with the team members in a week. For activities requiring time, plan in advance. Keep record of everything in a separate workbook. Use AI tools for research, but follow ethical practices. Consult senior faculty, R&D coordinators, or mentors for the advice. Following all these steps, you will be able to accomplish your research targets. Thank you for your attention. I hope these tips inspire you to embark on your research journey with the confidence and enthusiasm. If you have any questions or need support, feel free to reach out. That's all for this video. See you in the next video.